Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, it has been 28 years since the Reggae Boyz played at their first and only senior FIFA Men's World Cup tournament, which was held in France. Fast forward to 2025, and Jamaicans are now thinking they have a realistic chance of ending the drought. More in this report.
Eyes were glued and ears opened as every Jamaican prayed for a favorable draw for the final round of CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers. After being placed as the seeded team in Group B, the wait was to see who would be the three Jamaican opponents. Well, the group turned out to be a Caribbean one, as joining the Reggae Boyz were Curacao, Bermuda, and longtime rivals Trinidad and Tobago. That sent off a celebration across Jamaica. That's because they believe the Reggae Boyz are now an overwhelming favorite to reach the world's showpiece once more. Paul Teagat Davis, who was a member of the team when they qualified in 1997, also firmly believes that this could be the moment.
We have some nice players. So on the day, once we go out there and perform, there's no way that we can qualify for this World Cup. And I'm confident that they're going to qualify for the World Cup.
And Harbourview's general manager Clyde Giardini is echoing what everyone has been saying since the draw on Thursday.
This is the easiest draw or process of qualification for a senior FIFA Men's World Cup I've ever seen for Jamaica in all my life. This is a gift, really. Even Haiti, as one of the strong Caribbean teams, are not in our Caribbean zone either. It could not, quite frankly, be any easier than this.
It is this sort of confidence that many are guarding themselves against complacency, but Giardini says it is the blatant error for the Jamaicans to make, but there is enough ammunition to get past such minor hiccups.
The gift is a given. It is for us to be complacent. And in this group that we have gone overboard for what, 28 years since 1997 when we qualified in November 16? So something like that should not be a major issue for these professionals and for the local players, as they have shown recently. The Zone C Gold Cup draw is much more difficult than this, where we have Panama, Guatemala, and Guadeloupe. That's a stronger zone to play against. We could not be complaining and shaking our boots to go to Trinidad as an away game, or Curacao, or Bermuda. We could not be.
Having been there and done it before, Davis says life can be easy if the Jamaicans make home a fortress.
Every team is a danger, you know. So as I say, we can't get complacent. We have to take game by game as they come, especially games at home, where, you know, the last 98 we dominate the office. So, you know, once we can dominate our office and go on the road again and get that 3 points, I don't think about no 1 point. You know, we just go out and play some football, you know, and get the job done.
Curaçao's 5-1 win over Haiti in the previous round had tongues wagging, but Giardini is not drawn into the Cinderella story.
And threats they are, without doubt. But again, it's for us to play to our standards. And on the face of it, with the draw of it, with the likelihood that we're not going to play against 10 to 12 of the top CONCACAF nations, that could not be a main fear or threat to us.
According to Teagat Davis, the focus must be on Jamaica and what they need to do.
For me, I don't care about none of them. I just care about Jamaica going through, you know, because, you know, it's not going to be easy, but as I said before, as we focus. So I can't be thinking about Trinidad and the rest of the team. I think about Jamaica and how we can go forward.
Jamaica will kick off the group away to Bermuda in September before closing out against Curacao in November of this year. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.